What is up guys, YTC here. So here we have the MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard by Logitech. The design is said to have mechanical keys for tactility feedback, a balanced design for long-lasting comfort, backlit keys with smart illumination, which essentially means the keys light up when your hands approach, as well as adjusting to the environment's lighting conditions, quite like a smartphone's automatic screen brightness feature. The keyboard can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or Logitech's new Bolt receiver, enabling easy switch multi-device connectivity, and boasts a whopping 33 feet wireless range. As you can see, I went with the linear option. So let's get into the unboxing. I have to give props to Logitech for making such a premium feeling keyboard whilst keeping the environment in mind. The MX Mechanical graphite plastics are made up of 45% post-consumer recycled material. The top case is made up of low-carbon aluminium, and the paper packaging is FSC certified, making this keyboard packaging certified carbon neutral. They've even gone further by providing a 1-year limited hardware warranty. Well done, Logitech! Right off the bat, I noticed that this keyboard is quite heavy, weighing in at 1.83 pounds or conversely 0.8 kilograms. This weight does give the keyboard a nice premium feel to it. There's definitely got to be some metal in here. Logitech have managed to house a rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium polymer battery and claim for it to last up to 15 days or up to 10 months with the backlighting feature turned off. I'll definitely have to test this out and let you know, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification toggle. Inside the box, Logitech have kept it pretty simple, housing only the keyboard itself, a Logitech Bolt receiver, and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, with a neat and satisfying Velcro cable tie. Do note that when choosing between the various keyboard options, it is important to take note of the following differences in order to choose the right keyboard option for you. The linear switch option is depicted by the red colored rubber dampers under the keys. These focus on giving you a typing experience with no bump and no click feels. The tactile quiet switches focus on giving your typing experience a tactile bump feel, hence the name, but no clicky feel, and is depicted by a brown color. Whilst the clicky switches focus on giving your typing experience both a clicky and bumpy feel, and is depicted by blue color switches. Feel free to pause over here to get a glimpse of a 3-step guide by Logitech on how to configure this keyboard to your device or devices. At the back, we get a rather sturdy feeling set of keyboard bumpers that have rubber-based feet. These keyboard bumpers come with a very satisfying click. At the top of the keyboard, we can find the USB-C charging port and a power on-off toggle switch, as well as an LED indicator. As mentioned earlier, these are the linear red switches. Let me know what you think they sound like relative to their previously mentioned attributes. Moving on to the cost, the MX Mechanical keyboard is currently priced at $170 US, whilst the mini version, that is the one without the dedicated number keys, is priced slightly lower at $150 US. Both keyboard option types are offered in clicky, linear, and tactile quiet switch key options. To give you a relative feel of what this keyboard sounds like, I went ahead to give you a sound comparison. Here is what a basic wired keyboard sounds like. And here is what the Linear MX mechanical keyboard sounds like. Comment on what you think the MX mechanical keyboard sounds like. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification toggle to stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.